Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here with this DaVincified Paint by Numbers kit that was sent to me, and I'm just going to show you what comes in the kit and also tell you some of the different things you can choose when you're ordering one of these. So I was able to choose from all of the kits on their website. I chose this one called the Good Shepherd Path. For each of these, you can decide how long you want it to take. You can choose 24 paint colors, which is good for beginners. You can choose 36 colors, which is what I chose, which they say takes about 5 hours to paint. Or you can go big and get 48 different colors, which takes about 10 hours to paint. And the price does change depending on how many paint colors you get. You can also get your canvas just rolled that you can frame or whatever later on. You can get it on a stretched canvas as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you get everything out of your box is take these little number stickers, and you're going to want to number the pots. And it does tell you on that little white sheet in the middle the big number, and I'm sure it's because they use the same color for lots of different canvases. So you're going to want to number them according to your picture that you are painting. So I didn't need those. Those were extra numbers. Now this also comes with 3 paintbrushes. You do have the option to add on more. And I just started with paint color number 1 and just started filling in some of the spaces that I could see readily. I do like that the canvas has a little bit of a color scheme to it, so that you know where it shows yellow, it's going to be one of your yellowish tones. Where it shows blue or green or purple. So it kind of gives you an idea, and I think it helps make the colors more vibrant as you paint them. So I just went through, and there's color number 1. And then I went to a darker purple to show, and then a green. And I can't wait to finish this. I love how the paint colors just make everything pop. If you're interested in ordering this for yourself or someone else, I will put the link in the description box. And thank you, DaVincified, for sending me this awesome Paint by Numbers kit.